Assalamu alaikum. I am specialist dentist and orthodontics assistant professor Dr. Muhammad Ahmed. Today we are going to discuss what are advantage of zirconium crown over traditional porcelain fused to metal crown. First, what is traditional porcelain fused to metal crown and what is zirconium crown? In traditional porcelain fused to metal crown, there is a metal coping that provides strength, and it is layered with porcelain that provide the cosmetic. While in case of zirconium, there is no need for metal coping because zirconium itself is very strong and it provides the strength as well as cosmetic. So let's discuss what are advantage of zirconium crown over traditional porcelain fused to metal crown. First advantage is zirconium is superior cosmetic and aesthetic. We will discuss cosmetic at three levels. First is shade match. Since zirconium is free from metal and it is very easy to match the shade of zirconium with natural tooth. When well designed, it is very difficult to differentiate between zirconium crown and natural tooth. Second cosmetic advantage of zirconium crown is zirconium is translucent in nature. It permits the light to pass through it, so it is very cosmetically pleasing, especially at incisal edge and cervical areas. Third advantage of zirconium crown is cosmetic at gum line. With traditional porcelain fused to metal crown, one of the disadvantages that at gum level there is a dark shadow that is not aesthetically pleasing, especially in those patients where high lip line is there and on smiling gums and tooth part is visible. With zirconium crown, there is no dark shadow at gums line, so cosmetic at gums line is enhanced with zirconium crown, especially in those cases where patient has a high lip line. And second advantage of zirconium crown is good mechanical properties, good strength. Let's discuss what is its beneficial in crown and bridge cases. Zirconium is a porcelain, but its strength is very high. Due to its high strength, it is sometimes called ceramic steel because it is very high strength. It has very high strength, so it can bear the occlusal load in every cases. If a patient has a high masticated load, it is suitable processes to be used. And second is that because it is very high strength, it has mechanical properties and strength. It can bear the occlusal load, and there is no chances that it can be cracked or fractured. But traditional porcelain fused to metal crown or bridge, when there is a high force, porcelain cheaper from the metal structure and metal is visible. But with porcelain zirconium crown, this problem doesn't occur, and zirconium provides services over years of time. And also zirconium doesn't wear under the high occlusal forces, so it maintains its shapes over a time. Third main advantage of zirconium crown is biocompatibility. Biocompatibility means zirconium is more friendly with the gums tissue and oral tissue. Let's discuss how it is friendly. Because it is inert in nature, it doesn't have any reaction with gums. When processes our crown or bridge meet, it is under the gums, it touch gums, it doesn't cause any inflammation. And second, because it is inert in nature, it doesn't absorb any strain, so it maintains its shiny luster over a period of time and provide excellent cosmetic as well. Third advantage of zirconium crown with respect to biocompatibility is that it is inert and it doesn't allow the pathological bacteria to deposit on it. Because pathological bacteria don't deposit on it, so it is more friendly with the oral cavity as well as with the gums. And let's discuss third main advantage of zirconium, that is precise fitness and accuracy. Because zirconium is made from Cad-Cam technologies, that is computer-aided designing and computer-aided manufacture. In computer-aided design, computer manufacture, there is no labor involvement, there is no human involvement. The scan of teeth is there. Teeth are scanned and it is delivered to the software. In software, crown or bridge or any process is planned and it is placed on tooth. processes is so much accurate, there's a little chances that bacteria can travel between the tooth and the zirconium crown. Fifth advantage of zirconium crown is that it is easily available on the next day. With traditional porcelain fused metal crown, there is a lot of labor involvement and usually take 5 to 7 days. With zirconium crown, it is available for the next day. When patient visited from out of country, our patient have less time available, and when there is a high cosmetic demand in interior teeth, we can provide it on the next days. Being a specialist dentist, I am providing zirconium processes over 14 years of time. So you visited, inshallah, we will provide you best zirconium processes. You subscribe and like our video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.